In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a Google Docs file using Google Drive. Whether you're working on a time-sensitive project or simply need to edit a PDF document, these steps will help you effortlessly make the conversion in just a few minutes. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. With your browser ready, type Google Drive in the search bar. This will present you with a list of results, but your goal is to look for the official Google Drive link. More specifically, aim for the link that displays https://drive.google.com/drive quota as its URL. When you see this, go ahead and click on it. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to log in. If you're already logged into your Google account from a previous session, you might skip this step since Google often maintains your logged-in state for convenience. If not, simply enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Google Drive dashboard. Next, we'll proceed to upload the PDF file you wish to convert. You have a couple of options here. The first involves clicking on the plus new button found on the left-hand side of your Drive interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select File Upload. This action will open a window where you can navigate through your computer's directories. Locate the PDF file you want to convert and select it to complete the upload. Alternatively, you can opt for a more straightforward method. Simply drag and drop your PDF file into your browser window where Google Drive is open. This makes the process quick and intuitive, especially if you're handling several files at once. Once your file is uploaded, hover over it, right-click, and a menu will appear. From here, navigate to the Open With option and choose Google Docs. Selecting this tells Google Drive to perform the conversion process. In a new tab, Google Docs will automatically open your PDF document and convert it into an editable document format. Now be aware that some complex formatting might not translate perfectly due to the conversion process, but Google does a commendable job at preserving most of the text and layout. Once converted, the document will automatically save itself in Google Docs format, so there is no need for any manual saving steps. And there you have it. Your PDF is now a fully editable Google Docs file, readily accessible and shareable through your Google Drive. This process is fast, efficient, and incredibly useful for converting documents that require modifications. Remember, the document remains stored safely in your Drive, providing easy access anytime and anywhere. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips.